Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through how to use a psychological evaluation. A psychological evaluation is a thorough evaluation of an individual's behavior, personality traits, cognitive abilities, and other psychological domains. Trained psychologists conduct this comprehensive examination and are instrumental in understanding an individual's mental health condition. The objective behind such an evaluation is to accurately diagnose any underlying psychological issues and assist in creating effective treatment plans tailored to an individual's unique needs. These evaluations employ techniques from structured interviews to questionnaires and standardized tests to understand the person's psychological state. These evaluations provide a window into an individual's functioning, revealing their strengths and areas requiring attention or improvement. By assessing different aspects of an individual's behavior and cognition, psychologists can gather crucial insights to understand their overall mental health. To use our free psychological evaluation, follow these steps. Download our psychological evaluation from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. This is the first interaction between the psychologist and the individual. During this session, the psychologist gathers crucial background information. They also seek to understand the primary reason behind the need for the evaluation. This step is vital as it sets the groundwork for the subsequent stages of the assessment. In this stage, the psychologist administers various tests to assess the individual's cognitive abilities, personality traits, behavior patterns, and other relevant aspects. These tests could range from structured questionnaires to interactive activities to evaluate different facets of the individual's psychological makeup. Once the assessment phase is complete, the psychologist analyzes and interprets the results of the various tests. This step involves a meticulous examination of the data collected, enabling the psychologist to form an initial understanding of the individual's psychological state. In the final stage, the psychologist discusses the findings and recommendations with the individual or their family. This dialogue allows the psychologist to explain the results understandably and propose a suitable treatment plan if necessary. Here is a sample of our psychological evaluation, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our psychological evaluation, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.